Hello, everyone, and welcome. This is our last video in the Yoga and Mindfulness in Schools video series. It has been a pleasure spending this time with all of you, sharing these tools that have been so helpful for me personally. I hope you find them helpful as well. Today, I'll just talk briefly, a little follow up on kindness, and then we're going to move into one more body scan, a little different this time. Body scan with gratitude. So just to follow up on kindness, I wanted to share that it makes me think about light and like a flashlight. Like if we were in a cave and there were a group of 20 of us, 10 or 20 of us sitting there. If one person turned on their flashlight, it would be a little bit of light, right? So like if one person is doing a kind deed or a kind action, that's wonderful. It's that one little bit of light. If a second person turns on their flashlight, there's going to be more light. And if we all turn on our flashlight, there's going to be a lot of light, right? So if we're all practicing kindness, it really just spreads and grows and ripples out into our community, into the world. Just want to really advocate for growing kindness in this world. Okay, so with that said, let's move into our body scan. And as we're transitioning, I'll share that the reason for the body scan with gratitude today is because gratitude is another way for us to practice mindfulness. And studies show that a regular gratitude practice really can be powerful into creating a happier life, a more joyous life. So it's not about the things in our life that make us happy. It's about finding what we can be thankful for, even if it's the simple things like, clean water to drink. We are very fortunate for that, or food or shelter. Okay, so lots of things to be thankful for, even during hard times. So coming to our body scan, and again, finding whatever way of being is most comfortable for you. So either laying down or seated. If you fall asleep easily when you're laying down, then I would encourage seated. If not, then and if laying down is okay, I would encourage it because it's such a nice way to just relax. We're taking our mindful minute as a part of our body scan today. So I'm going to ding the bowl to help us transition. So maybe taking a nice big full breath, maybe looking around the room, connecting ourselves to this space. Noticing what parts of the body make contact with the floor, inviting ourselves to release into these points of contact. And remembering that this practice is a journey. It's not something we're striving towards. It's not some sort of end goal. It's about being in the moment and supporting ourselves so that we can be happy and healthy, and we can support others to be happy and healthy. So if it feels comfortable closing the eyes, we'll start with bringing our attention to the head, the whole head, the top of the head, the face, relaxing the face, the skin, softening the jaw, inviting the head to get heavy. And taking a moment here to thank the brain for all of the work, processing that it does. Thanking the head in whatever way resonates for you today, and then sliding our attention down into the throat, where those vocal cords are, if we are able to speak in whatever way we speak, taking a moment to be thankful there, knowing that we all have the right to be heard. Well, right, we all have the right to have a voice. Sliding our attention down into the shoulders, the arms, the hands. The arms and the hands being the limbs, the part of the body that connects us to each other, that reaches out to shake hands or to hug or to hold one another, maybe even to hold ourselves. So taking a moment there to be thankful, to have gratitude for the arms and the hands in whatever form they are on our bodies. Sliding the attention now down into the heart space, thanking the heart for all of the work that it does, pumping oxygen, pumping blood, keeping us alive. Sliding the attention down into the stomach, the gut, the intestines, the liver, all of our organs and glands that live in the torso. Taking a moment to be thankful for all of the hard work, for the intestines for processing waste, and the gut for giving us this, listening to our gut, this intuition. The stomach for nourishing us. Thanking this part of the body for whatever it is you want to thank it for. Sliding the attention down into the legs and the feet. Taking a moment of gratitude to the legs and the feet in whatever form they are with you, and thanking them for connecting us to the earth, holding us up, moving us through this world. Bringing the whole body into awareness. Just resting. Maybe we place one hand on the heart and one hand on the belly, just noticing the space under the hands. Just resting. Gently beginning to wake the body back up, stretching in whatever way feels good. Eventually, slowly finding our way to our seat, maybe rolling over to one side. Taking our time, no rush. Finding our seat. Once we get there, noticing whatever there is to notice. And remembering as we move forward in this world to offer each other kindness and ourselves kindness, treating ourselves as we would a good friend or someone that we care deeply for, offering ourselves that same love and compassion. Remembering that it is so important, essential, almost vital to engage that prefrontal cortex, that wise old owl. If we notice that guard dog, the amygdala, it's kind of down here in the back lower part of the brain, if that is engaged in ourselves or others, pause, let everyone calm down, let that guard dog calm down. We're only causing harm if we try and communicate, if we try and problem solve while we're in our guard dog. Yeah, so taking good care. If you like joining me with hands at the heart, I wish you all well. And today, let's end by saying thank you in Sanskrit, which is namaste. Thank you so much, everyone. Take good care. Namaste. Bye.